Using clean, prepped pipes, spray on a thick base coat of Valspar Manhattan Mist textured paint. Make sure you coat the pipes well and pay special attention to the threads and joints. Once that's dry, use a wedge cut from a sea sponge to dab on Valspar cabin plank paint. Don't cover the first coat of paint completely, you want a kind of mottled look. When that dries, go in and sponge on the next coat, Valspar Lincoln Cottage Black. Use this to cover any spots where the first coat, the textured paint, is still showing. Now mix 2 parts Valspar Cinnamon Cake paint to 1 part water, and use a foam brush to dab paint around the threaded areas and along random areas of the pipe. Anywhere you want that rusted effect. While the paint's still wet, mist the areas with water until the paint runs. Dab away the excess water and let the pipes dry. That's it! Instant aged iron.